She ride dick like a carnival. Been over having flashbacks, she gon' heat me up like a carnival. It's the way I pop my shit, the hoes not ready. I'm going barnacles. Moving to feel like a Jason, can't get arrested. I make them start one.
I just watched the video.
What video?
There's no girls. Is that you?
Hey, on college campus.
Wait, no. College
No, that's not him. Wait, I gotta go back to my history. I gotta go back to my history.
Marty creator, right?
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying.
Bro, get out of here, bro.
That's him. Click that bit. Them boys just got the same.
Shout out to Mar, bro. We just juicy.
Man, I'm finna see how they be at work.
YouTube.
They walk around there a bit, man.
I already did my walk.
You already hit the back though?
Wide body. There's a back?
Nigga, all the way back there. All the cars in the back too. Nah, you gotta check everything. Everything need to get a little love. Start from right here, wide body.
Like, damn, that shit look crazy, but it sound like he fucked up right now, guys. Was that the bitch fire one day?
Well, it's a scat. It's a scat.
Man.
What this right here? What this right here though?
Yeah, man, this is a goddamn Venador, man. I'm telling you, this is Ram.
Hey, y'all let me know in the comments, y'all. Let me know in the comments, y'all fuck. Y'all let me know in the comments, y'all fuck with 0.5 or not. No grip.
Hey, tell him to get like 1 tap, 2 tap.
Hey, he said can't tap it.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, that's what turbo sound like. I ain't even know how turbo sound. But I just smell straight gas though. Damn. Okay, let's go to your friends, bro. You got down.
Oh, Diego?
Is that who I think it is? What the fuck, nigga? Hey, man. Say, man.
The goofy goofers done assembled, man.
Where insurance claims that, man?
Hey, we waiting on that still, brother.
For real, we going.
This nigga say I look like.
Hey, these boys low-key looking like.
If you know how I feel, why would you say that? Like,
I look like a huncho. Now I can't stop saying this shit, bro.
Everybody calling you hunter now? I ain't gonna lie, this is crazy though, the two.
Bro, I ain't gonna lie though,
that nigga,
bro.
bro.
I'm not gonna lie. That was the first thing I thought about when I first saw you, bro.
Bro, put that neck
Like,
down,
real-
bro.
Hey, man, shut the hell up, bro.
This nigga, he said everybody. They ain't gotta come up to KB like this, but you ain't gotta. You gotta.
Everybody nowhere hating, bro.
Black.
Nigga say he was
Oh
a
my.
nigga.
What he said? What he finna do?
He finna ram in the track.
Go out the way, track. Like, come on, bro. Everybody track.
Oh. What is that?
Peace, yeah, you right.
This shit hard though. I fuck with it. Shit, this shit hard. I'm finna put my shit in line up. Ain't no way this motherfucker made it, bro. What the fuck? Cat. sneak my bit. I'm finna sneak my shit in here first. Damn. Say.
You see, you finna win this goddamn shit. Yeah. Y'all let me know who y'all think should win.
Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think the best car is out
I
here.
like this motherfucking V right here, boy. I like this V. It's a black wing.
The Demon.
This be a black wing. Hey, Frank. Everybody got one rule, right? Everybody got automatic, you can't win. If that bitch automatic, you can't win, nigga.
We done. And it's raining.
No cap,
Fuck.
I ain't going for none of that.
I'm up to no good. For real. Try to do something.
Damn, that bit. That bit heavy.
That shit leave your shit though.
Let him.
Can't even stay up. Go. We gon' come through, laying shots off, nigga. Alley oop, it's a layup. Shot out to the fucking tech, little nigga. He where you and your bitch breaking up.
That bit hurt, boy. Hey, bit walk dog.
She said it was
man.
wet, bro.
Huh?
She said it was
That
wet.
nigga was sideways the whole time. Nigga gonna have to pay me to do that, motherfucker, but.
Yeah, I got these good ass videos and shit.
My damn car fall apart. I do that shit, bro. Send that bitch, bro. Hey, send it.
Send what? Do you? Come on. Don't do me like this, son. Don't do me like this, bro. Come on.
Hey, send it, bro.
Don't do me like this.
Okay.
You got a chance, bro. They
Got that goddamn C63
oh, ain't no power.
Goddamn C63, boy, you know what I'm saying?
You got a chance, bro.
You do it. You the man when I can do it, then you gotta do
That shit running, bro.
I'm going for the V, man. Going for the black lane, man.
For the clip.
Fuck that nigga, bro.
What you talking about?
Man, yeah, bet.
What
I don't know what he talking, bro.
What he said?
What you talking about, nigga?
He said, I love you.
I love you too, bro.
What did he say?
He said he love you.
I love you too, man.
He said he want some gin.
Some beer? Hey, he said toast to him. Go drink some beer.
Toast to you.
Fucking choosing me out of all y'all
Hey, he
niggas.
just like you. He like what he see, man.
like
He
his
like your
ass.
player bill.
Buddy weird, bro. Don't let that nigga drive now. Crash out, nigga. Kill 7 kids.
After that. Hey, you know, it be hard, though.
Y'all niggas want me to enter.
Give me the little. Hey, man. You know what I'm saying? Come here. What you doing? Niggas, you gotta be in the can. Gotta. Right? Nigga be recording. Listen.
Bro, look, go talk to your uncle, bro.
This what we put. That nigga, we have a Mexican guy in the background yelling right now. I don't know what's going on. Excuse me.
Bro,
Let's
what you just hey,
get a zoom in on this nigga haircut.
hey, don't just be hey, this ain't your city, bro. He gonna stab your ass. Hey, he playing now. Hey, he don't know where he at now. He don't know where he at now. Hey, nigga want trolling and shit. Like, nigga don't know where they at now, boy. I'm telling you.
If
Why
you
you
like
want somebody
hand
to
move,
so bad?
Bro, do some hand movements.
Come on, let me tell you
If
something.
you like TikTok so much, why ain't you starting
Niggas,
TikTok?
Bro, do some hand movements, bro.
This nigga know what he doing, bro. Look, y'all can see, man. I just filled up the supercharged V6.
Damn, that shit hard.
This is what we had to put in the tank right here, man. I'm telling y'all right now, man. If y'all are not ready for no sport car and ready to throw $80 on the tank,
Every
automatically,
day, too.
every time,
Every day. Don't
do it. This is a supercharged 3.6 liter V9.
3.6.
This is a 6.6.
With the red goods and shit like that. So
3.6.
No, nigga, it's a 6.7, nigga. Come on, bro. You don't know what this is, right? This
Look how you holding that camera.
yeah, nigga, because I'm a real photographer, bro.
I know the real speed, man. This finna go and get here. We are an hour away from the crib right now, bro.
How about an owl ski?
An hour, bro. But so, if y'all enjoyed the video, I really feel like that was amazing content on some jump. I feel like it was amazing content. I feel like, bro, who y'all think had the hardest burnout though? Put in the comments who y'all think had the hardest burnout. Me personally, I think it's between the CTSV and the ZL1. Made sense. They got the same engine. You know what I'm saying? So, but nah, that's CTS. What y'all say?
That black one definitely. I chose that. I ain't gonna lie. Camcat Demon was.
He didn't even do nothing with that bit though.
I wouldn't either. It's a fucking demon.
He
I would
probably,
have brought the other demon and did some shit in there.
he probably babying that bit for sure.
For
That's
sure.
probably what it is.
I don't even think he got goddamn like dollars.
Super.
But hell no. Oh shit, nigga.
Move, bro.